This is Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'll show you the best settings for your Dell monitor S2425. So, of course, the first thing that you want to do is to navigate through the advanced display setting. And from here, you want to set this to the maximum refresh rate possible. So in this specific model, it's going to be 100 Hertz. So you want to select 100 on the refresh rate menu. From there, let's navigate through the OSD controls, which means on-screen setting. This is how we can edit the main setting of our monitor. Most likely, in order to toggle this, you want to press the joystick beside the monitor itself, or it's going to be right below your monitor. So just press any buttons on your monitor and this will then show up. From there, we then have to apply the following setting. Once again, for refresh rate is going to be 100 Hertz. For the preset mode, you want to use standard or sRGB, which will provide us with the best natural colors. For the response time, you want to use fast. For the adaptive sync, it's going to be on. For brightness, 45 to 60, but of course this can depend on your room lighting. For contrast, generally, you want to set this to 75, and the color temperature is going to be warm or 6500K. For eye comfort, you want to turn this on. This can help us reduce eye strains, especially for longer gaming sessions. And once again, as a note, you want to avoid high brightness to, once again, avoid those eye strains. For gaming tweaks, you want to use fast response time, not extreme, because it can actually cause ghosting. And you want to turn off unnecessary sharpening or filter effects. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.